Hello, in this Flutter programming video, I am going to show you the aspect ratio widget. So I've got a image and a text item here displayed within a column child. You could have it displayed however you want, but I find this is best to just demonstrate it. So we've got this image of Batman and then we got the text hello world below it. As you can see, it's literally just directly below it. If I was to do an aspect ratio, you just do new aspect ratio, and it requires basically an aspect ratio. We'll get onto that in a second. Let's just add a child. So the child will be colon, and whatever child we want to put there, and I'm going to literally put this. So whatever the image is, this could be stored in a variable if you want to. And now I just need a comma here. If I was to change this to get the aspect ratio, remember you have images that could be 16 by 9. That's what modern TVs. You could have what old TVs used to be, which was a 4 by 3 ratio. Not quite square, but more square-like. You can have 21 by 9, which is a more cinema ultra widescreen aspect ratio. So if I do 4 by 3, this is the way you put the aspect ratio. You just do the actual ratio. So if it's 16 by 9, you put 16 divided by 9, and that will work out the actual ratio. If I save that, as you can see, it's moved around a bit. And what's happened is we basically said all the children inside of it have an aspect ratio of 4 by 3, which is more square-like. Hence this, white space here. That's the reason this hello world text starts below or quite a bit below the image, because using the aspect ratio, we've said the image or the contents go all the way down to here and all the way up to here, even though they don't. But that's just a way for us to specify if we know all images are going to be 4 by 3 or 16 by 9 or 21 by 9 to ensure positioning of all other items around this particular widget is, looking very good on our user interface. And that's really it. There's not much more to it, to the aspect ratio. I demonstrated it with an image. You could have another child that has children inside of it. Doesn't really matter what it is. It could be a row. It could be another column. It could be, text. The type of child doesn't matter. But what's important is this aspect here. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.